Please plus verb. Please go out. Please be kind. Please come in. Please help me. Please don't go. Please don't go. Please be quiet. Please sit down. Please stand up. Please don't fly. Please excuse me. Please wait here. Please read this. Please don't sit. Please don't cry. Please don't ask. Please thank you. Please I am sorry. Please follow me. Please say hello. Please be honest. Please try again. Please don't eat. Please don't run. Please take a pen. Please take a pen. Please look at me. Please don't pull. Please don't walk. Please don't push. Please don't swim. Please don't work. Please don't help. Please be patient. Please don't rest. Please be on time. Please don't play. Please don't talk. Please don't move. Please don't sing. Please don't come. Please don't jump. Please don't wait. Please be careful. Please don't talk. Please don't talk. Please don't read. Please don't draw. Please don't sleep. Please don't drive. Please don't drink. Please sing a song. Please don't cycle. Please don't worry. Please don't laugh. Please don't touch. Please don't shout. Please don't smoke. Please say goodbye. Please don't touch. Please don't color. Please don't write. Please don't stand. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Please don't dance. Please count to 10. Please don't be sad. Please don't be shy. Please don't scream. Please don't forget. Please do your best. Please don't answer. Please speak slowly. Please don't whisper. Please draw a circle. Please dance with me. Please don't give up. Don't be late. Please stand in line. Please don't be rude. Please open the door. Please ask a question. Please play the piano. Please play the piano. Please wait your turn. Please don't be angry. Please play the guitar. Please don't be scared. Please raise your hand. Please write your name. Please repeat after me. Please repeat after me. Please lower your hand. Please spell your name. Please listen carefully. Please write a sentence. Please give me the book. Please close the window. Please close the window. Please look at the board. Please color the picture. Please put it on the table. Please answer the question.